Pregnant balls in my booty like you Scottie Pippen. Met the nigga last night. Last night. And I rode his dick like a bike. He's so thick, he looks like the dyke with that's okay shit. Dick swinging up in the motherfucking hallway. He like me in my face by my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum start dripping. I took a back. He like dick, and I like his ass cause it's thick. And he gon' fall. Look like face by my booty till I cry. He licked my dick and the cum start dripping. I think his name's Mike Jordan. He fucked me on recording. He sent me butt pics this morning. Hands down the greatest news I've received.